KDLY stock analysis and KDLY stock prediction. This is absolutely crazy after yesterday's performance. I'm the only guy in the space that's done 40,000 videos, so I have seen what's making me money and what's not. And to be very honest, I'm still going to say that after a crazy push like this, which I was sitting here and actually looking to take things up, like really. And yeah, there you go. Like, it was sitting at the time when I made the video, it was like 217 and it was made 9 days back. So way before anything happened, it went from 2. This is like what a Kaya Gray, very good squeeze. I think this crap went for 32 bucks. It's crazy. And yeah, it's just melting. In this way, I'm just going to pretty much stay away. You know, the last thing that I'm doing is just randomly selling. So yeah, that's how KDLY is actually looking like. And that's all I have to say. Let me know what is your opinion on this. The only thing that I would actually trade is maybe take it down, but like, I would just stay away. You know, when the price is melting down as such, I'll just stay away. There's a far better setup. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with indicators, click the first link in the description and get free newsletter.